Do you want to post a photo as a grid square picture on your Instagram profile? You can post giant square images with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video, I will show you how to make grid photos on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. First, let's talk about what a grid photo actually is. A grid photo on Instagram is a single image that is divided into multiple square posts. You can apply this technique on Instagram to share larger images that wouldn't fit within a single post. For that, you need to split your larger image into giant individual squares using the editing app or your phone's built-in features. Grid photos create a visually appealing and organized look for your profile, showcasing your creativity and ability to tell a story through multiple images. In this way, viewers see the complete image when they visit your profile and scroll through your posts. To post giant square pictures on Instagram. First, you need to make a large image to different grid square photos. Don't worry, quite easy, and you can make it in a minute using an app. For that, open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Now, type Grid Maker in the search box and search. Tap on the Grid Maker app. After that, tap on the Install button to download and install it on your mobile phone. After installing, tap on the Open button. After opening the app, tap on the Grid Maker button. From here, select a photo that you want to post as a grid on Instagram. Adjust how many square parts of the picture you want to post. Like 3x3, 3x4, or 3x2. I recommended you to select 3x3. After making your required size, tap on the tick icon from the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap on Save Grid Images to download it on your device. To upload grid square pictures on Instagram. Now, open your Instagram app on your device. Tap on the plus icon to post a grid photo. Now, you need to post each photo one by one. Start uploading each part of the divided square image as individual posts on Instagram. You need to post individual square images sequentially as separate posts on your Instagram feed, ensuring they line up correctly when viewed on your profile grid. You can also write engaging captions for each picture. Finally, your giant square grid pictures on Instagram look like this. By following these steps, you can create an eye-catching grid photo on Instagram that will captivate your audience and showcase your creativity. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.